Divisibility rules. What is divisibility rules? These rules let you test if one number is divisible by another without having to do too much calculation. Think of this. Is 723 divisible by 3? Yes, because 723 divide 3 is equal to 241. But divisibility rule will help you identify without calculating it. So these are the rules of divisibility. Divisibility rule of 1. Any integer, not a fraction, is divisible by 1. Divisibility rule of 2. The last digit must be even. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For example, 128. 8 is an even, so 128 is divisible by 2. Divisibility rule of 3. The sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. For example, 381. 3 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 12. And 12 divide 3 is equal to 4. So 381 is divisible by 3. Divisibility rule of 4. The last two digits must be divisible by 4. For example, 1312. 12 is the last two digits, so 12 divided 4 is equal to 3. So 1312 is divisible by 4. Divisibility rule of 5. The last digit must be 0 or 5. For example, 175. 5 is the last digit, so 175 is divisible by 5. Divisibility rule of 6. Is even and divisible by 3. It passes both the 2 rule and the 3 rule above. For example, 114. It is an even number and 1 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 6. And 6 divide 3 is equal to 2. So 114 is divisible by 6. Divisibility rule of 7. Double the last digit and subtract it from a number made by the other digits. The result must be divisible by 7. For example, 672. Double 2, so it is 4. And 67 minus 4 is equal to 63. And 63 divided 7 is equal to 9. So 672 is divisible by 7. Divisibility rule of 8. The last three digits are divisible by 8. For example, 109,816. The last three digit is 816, so 816 divided 8 is equal to 102. So 109,816 is divisible by 8. Divisibility rule of 9. The sum of the digits must be divisible by 9. For example, 1,629. 1 plus 6 plus 2 plus 9 is equal to 18. And again, 18 divides 9 is equal to 2. So 1,629 is divisible by 9. Divisibility rule of 10. The number ends in 0. For example, 220. It ends in 0, so 220 is divisible by 10. Divisibility rule of 11. Add and subtract digits in an alternating pattern. Then check if the answer is divisible by 11. For example, 1,364 plus 1 minus 3 plus 6 minus 4 is equal to 0. So 1,364 is divisible by 11. Divisibility rule of 12. The numbers divisible by both 3 and 4. For example, 648. Try this by 3. 6 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 18. And 18 divide 3 is equal to 6. Try this by 4. 48 divide 4 is equal to 12. So 648 is divisible by 12. So let's try this. Identify what divisibility rules a certain number have. 1, 345, 2, 753, 3, 116, 4, 100, and 5, 2,355. I hope you've learned a lot and see you in my lesson plan video tutorial. Thank you and God bless.